let me explain what is premium layout. This is the new feature that we've introduced in January of 2024. And this is in response to our customers demanding more creative layouts for their customers, so that you basically create awe-inspiring designs that tell the life story of a person. So if you just submit the photograph or a portrait for editing, you use the image editing. If you would like it to be combined with beautiful flowers with beautiful frames, designs, you click on premium layout. And by the time you get in here, there will be more layouts. But for now, there's just 4 of them, and I wanted to explain to you what they do. Basically, premium layout is what it is. It's a combination of, in most cases, portrait, but it can also be text only. That is combined with different other designs. So like, for example, this one combines portrait with the heart-shaped frame of roses. On the left side of the portrait, there's a stairway to, or like path to heaven with doves. And on the right side, you can fit the portrait, plus any kind of text and any kind of different other flowers. The texts, by the way, don't have to be part of it, because we recognize that not everybody engraves the texts. A lot of people still do it with sandblasting, so don't worry about it. I mean, if you do not need text, just say no text, but create this, and we'll do our best to create a beautiful layout for you without text. But this is kind of gives you an idea about what you can do, and what's even better, you can show it to your customers and they can choose the one that they like. Even though, like, for example, this 2 or 3 layouts on top, they're kind of horizontal form factor, we can align them to fit any kind of stone, any size of stone. So what you see here in premium layouts, they're mostly the ideas of what we can do for you, and then we can kind of stretch them horizontally or vertically and reformat them in different ways. So you choose the layout that you would like us to create. Like, for example, let's say this layout for someone who liked outdoors, and it shows a very nice artwork, or very nice design of lakeshore, fire, and canoe. And then you basically tell us what kind of design you would like form factor to be. Let's say it's 30 inches wide and 40 inches tall. You select the image. Let's select this one, for example. And then you can say, again, if you do want certain text, you provide the text here. If you don't want text, no texts, just the artwork. And then you submit. By default, all of these layouts will be two standard tariffs. So whatever you pay for tariff, it will be twice that amount. And for example, if you were to send 2 different portraits, which can also fit on the same kind of design in this heart, obviously, I mean, each extra portrait is extra layout, extra tariff. But then you basically submit it. And now we're going back to your list of jobs. You see this job is marked as flagged as premium layout. The job fee is twice what it needs to be. And there's actually the bug here because it wasn't multiplied, but we'll fix it. As I said, then the artist starts working on it just like with regular editing jobs. And as I said, when you go to premium layouts and you show it on the screen, you can zoom in to see better what those layouts are and to be able to show it to your customer. I'm on the PC, so I'm pressing and holding a control button, and I'm scrolling my mouse wheel to zoom in so that you can. It's not super resolution because we obviously don't want to give away our intellectual property, but it's big enough and detailed enough so that you can show it to the customer and they decide if they want something similar to this. So those are the premium layouts, and I hope you like them. Thank you for watching.